Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Got a cool tip for you today, but then also a question. I want you to check some things out. I have a document here that's fairly wide, wide columns A through H, and I go into File Page Setup. I want to say fit to one page wide, but I'm going to clear out the number of pages tall. That forces it to fit one page wide, but it can be as tall as you want. Back here on the header and footer, I'm going to go into Custom Header and create a logo up in my header. So I'll choose the Mr. Excel logo up there. And I can even format that. And I'm going to have to adjust the height down a little bit, so we'll go down to about 1.5 inches tall. Maybe 1 inch tall. There we go. You notice that these boxes are checked, lock aspect ratio relative to original picture size. I'm not doing any cropping on this particular one. Leaving everything as OK, OK. Now let's do a print preview. And you'll see that the logo is a certain size. It comes out to about half the page. Let me adjust my margins here so that way the data starts beneath the logo. All right, cool. Now, here's the problem. I had someone in the Data Analyst Bootcamp who showed me a worksheet similar to this, and they said, what we notice is that every month as we add new data to the right-hand side, so I'm going to copy a couple more months here, August and September. And I'll make those wide enough. Because now what's going to happen is everything has to scale down in order to fit August and September. And when we go into Print Preview, all right, you'll notice on my computer, the logo is the exact same size that it was. But on this person's computer, every month as they added new data to the right, the logo kept scaling smaller and smaller and smaller. And so as you went from report to report to report, you looked at them in the notebook where they store all this report, the logo kept getting smaller. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to give this a shot. Go to your computer. Add a logo to the header and then start adding columns to the right-hand side. And again, in setup, we have it set up for fit to one page wide by blank pages tall. It doesn't matter how many pages tall. And let me know whether your logo is shrinking or not shrinking. Now, send that result to Bill at MrExcel.com. I'm also interested in what version of Excel you have. So specifically, if we go to Help About Microsoft Excel, I'm in the SP3 version of Excel 2003. Take a look and let me know what you're running and whether your logo shrinks or doesn't shrink. We'll figure out if it's a version issue or if there's some other setting that's causing that. And if you happen to know, just save us all a lot of trouble and drop me a note. Well, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.